11 Amazon and Aliexpress gadgets. Discover a world of innovation with these 11 Amazon and Aliexpress gadgets that redefine convenience and creativity. From smart home essentials to cutting-edge tech, explore the future today. 1. EDC Nuclear Tank Tick Fingertip Gyro. The EDC Gyro Tank is a fidget spinner and storage container in one. It is a small, compact, and lightweight gadget that can fit easily in your pocket, making it a convenient everyday carry EDC item. The Gyro Tank features a spinning top that can rotate for up to 3 minutes, providing a satisfying and stress-relieving experience. It is made from high-quality materials, including a stainless steel bearing and a brass outer casing, ensuring durability and longevity. In addition to its fidget spinner function, the Gyro Tank also doubles as a storage container. It has a removable bottom that can be unscrewed, allowing you to store small items such as pills, mints, or earbuds inside. SwitchBot Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The SwitchBot Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a smart home device that allows you to remotely control and monitor access to your home. It is a retrofit device that can be easily installed over your existing deadbolt, without the need for any tools or modifications to your door. The smart lock connects to your home's Wi-Fi network, allowing you to lock and unlock your door using your smartphone or other smart devices. You can also set up temporary access codes for guests or service providers and receive alerts when someone enters or leaves your home. The SwitchBot Smart Lock is also compatible with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your lock using voice commands. In addition to its smart features, the smart lock is also designed for security. It uses AE's 128-bit encryption to protect your data and offers two-factor authentication for added security. Pristine Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1. The Pristine Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1 is a versatile and powerful steam cleaner designed for use on hard floors and carpets. It can effectively clean and sanitize a variety of surfaces using the power of steam. One of the key features of the Pristine Steam Mop Cleaner is its 10-in-1 functionality. It can be used as a steam mop, carpet cleaner, handheld steamer, glass cleaner, garment steamer, and more. This versatility makes it a great all-in-one cleaning solution for your home. The steam mop features a large water tank that can hold enough water for up to 25 minutes of continuous steam cleaning. It heats up quickly, and the steam is released at a high temperature to effectively kill germs and bacteria. The mop head is designed to pivot and swivel, allowing it to easily maneuver around corners and under furniture. It also comes with several attachments, including a carpet glider, grout brush, and fabric steamer, to help you tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Peggy Wall-Mounted Fishbowl. The Peggy Wall-Mounted Fishbowl is a unique and stylish way to display your fish. It is a small round bowl that can be mounted to the wall, allowing your fish to swim in an eye-catching and space-saving display. The Peggy Wall-Mounted Fishbowl is made from high-quality acrylic that is strong and durable, as well as transparent, providing a clear view of your fish. It comes with a screw and anchor for easy installation on any wall. One of the advantages of the Peggy Wall-Mounted Fishbowl is that it requires minimal maintenance. It has a small opening at the top that allows for easy feeding and cleaning, and its small size means that it requires less water and fewer water changes than larger fish tanks. RCF01 Faucet LED Kitchen Light. The RCF01 Faucet LED Kitchen Light is a unique and innovative kitchen accessory that adds a touch of style and functionality to your sink area. It is a small battery-operated LED light that attaches to the end of your faucet, providing a bright and convenient source of light when you need it. The RCF01 Faucet LED Kitchen Light is easy to install and fits most standard faucets. It has a small sensor that turns on the light when it detects the water flow and turns it off when the water flow stops, making it both energy efficient and convenient to use. The LED light is bright enough to illuminate your sink area and provide ample lighting for tasks such as washing dishes, preparing food, and cleaning up. Atexity Luggage Scale. The Atexity Luggage Scale is a portable and convenient device that helps you accurately measure the weight of your luggage while traveling. It is a small, lightweight scale that is easy to use and can be carried in your luggage or backpack. One of the key features of the Atexity Luggage Scale is its accuracy. It can measure weight up to 110 pounds with a precision of 0.1 pounds, ensuring that you get an accurate reading every time. This is particularly useful when traveling by air, as many airlines have strict weight limits for luggage. The scale is also easy to use. Simply attach the strap to the handle of your luggage, lift it up, and wait for the beep to indicate that the weight has been measured. The weight is displayed on a digital screen, making it easy to read and record. 12 South Bookbook. The 12 South Bookbook is a line of protective cases for Apple MacBook laptops and iPad tablets. The cases are designed to look like vintage leather-bound books, providing a stylish and unique way to protect your devices. The bookbook cases are made from high-quality leather and feature a hardback cover that provides protection against scratches and impacts. The interior of the case is lined with a soft microfiber material to protect your device from scratches and dust. One of the key features of the bookbook cases is their ability to disguise your device as a book, making it less attractive to potential thieves. They are also designed to provide easy access to all ports and buttons, allowing you to use your device without having to remove it from the case. Paris Rhone Laser. Paris Rhone Laser is a manufacturer of laser cutting machines and related technologies. The company is known for producing high-quality and efficient machines that are used in a variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, and medical. Paris Rhone laser machines are designed to cut and shape a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and ceramics, with high precision and accuracy. Canobjects Chrysalis Backflow Stick. The Canobjects Chrysalis Backflow Stick is a unique and visually stunning incense holder that creates a mesmerizing smoke cascade effect. It is a beautifully crafted piece made from high-quality porcelain and is designed to work with backflow incense cones. When the backflow incense cone is lit, the smoke flows downwards through the hollow stick, creating a mesmerizing waterfall effect that resembles a chrysalis or cocoon. Lasco High Velocity X-Blower Utility Fan for Cooling. The Lasco High Velocity X-Blower Utility Fan is a powerful cooling fan designed for use in large spaces, such as workshops, garages, and job sites. It is also suitable for home use in rooms that require strong air circulation. The X-Blower Utility Fan features a high-velocity motor that is capable of delivering strong and continuous airflow, making it an effective tool for cooling down hot and stuffy spaces. It has 3 powerful speed settings and an adjustable tilt head, allowing you to direct the airflow where it is needed. Kucamigo. The Kucamigo is a versatile and portable 360-degree camera that allows you to capture high-quality photos and videos from any angle. It is a small and lightweight device that can fit in your pocket, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. One of the key features of the Kucamigo is its dual lens system. It has 2 lenses that capture 180-degree views each, allowing you to capture a full 360-degree view when combined. This gives you the ability to capture stunning panoramic photos and immersive 360-degree videos. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.